Solve the homogeneous differential equation. First one, dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square divided by x square plus xy. First we have to show that this is homogeneous differential equation. So in order to show that this is homogeneous, let f of xy equal to x square plus y square divided by x square plus xy. Now replace this x and y by lambda x and lambda y. F of lambda x and lambda y equal to lambda square x square plus lambda square y square divided by lambda square x square plus lambda x into lambda y. So lambda square can be taken outside, x square plus y square by here lambda square into x square plus xy. That is lambda raised to 0 into f of xy. Therefore, the given differential equation is homogeneous. So in order to solve this differential equation, put y equal to vx. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dy by dx. Now equation number 1 implies v plus x into dv by dx is equal to x square plus v square x square divided by x square plus x into lambda is y is equal to vx. So x square divided by x square into 1 plus v. So x square cancelled. Now x into dv by dx is equal to x into dv by dx equal to 1 plus v square by 1 plus v minus v. That is 1 plus v square minus v into 1 plus v divided by 1 plus v. Or x into dv by dx equal to 1 plus v square minus v square the whole divided by 1 plus v square cancelled. Or x into dv by dx is equal to 1 minus v divided by 1 plus v. Or 1 plus v into dv divided by 1 minus v equal to dx divided by x. Variable separated, integrating. Integral 1 plus v divided by 1 minus v. So dividing this 1 plus v by 1 minus v. Now dividing this 1 plus v by 1 minus v. Okay. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus v is plus v. So subtracting, which is 2. So this is integral minus 1 plus 2 divided by 1 minus v dv is equal to integral dx divided by x. Okay. So integral minus 1 with respect to v is minus v plus 2 logarithm of 1 minus v. Now it's the derivative of 1 minus v is minus 1, so we have to divide by minus 1 is equal to log x plus log c1. That is minus v minus this 2 is taken to the power. So here a negative sign is here. Logarithm 1 minus v square equal to logarithm of x c1. Okay, or minus v is equal to logarithm of x c1 plus logarithm of 1 minus v the whole squared. Okay. Now minus v is equal to logarithm of x c1 into 1 minus v is y by x the whole square. Okay. Now v is y by x. Minus y by x is equal to logarithm of x c1 into, this is x minus y the whole square, numerator square by denominator square. So x get cancelled. Okay. Or e raised to minus y by x is equal to c1 by x into x minus y the whole square, or x minus y the whole square is equal to x by c1 into e raised to minus y by x. Now consider this 1 by c1 as constant, a new constant, x minus y the whole square equal to c1 by c1 is cx e raised to minus y by x is the required solution. Okay. Now see the second problem. Y dash is equal to x plus y by x. Okay. Second one, y dash is equal to x plus y by x. Let f of xy equal to x plus y by x. Now replace this x and y by lambda x and lambda y. We have f of lambda x lambda y equal to lambda x plus lambda y divided by lambda x. Lambda get cancelled. Lambda into x plus y by lambda x, that is lambda raised to 0 into f of xy. Therefore, the given differential equation is homogeneous. Okay, homogeneous. Now to solve this homogeneous equation, put y equal to vx, dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx, or equation number 1 implies v plus x into dv by dx is equal to x plus y is vx divided by x, that's equal to x into 1 plus v divided by x. X get cancelled, that is 1 plus v plus x into dv by dx. Now v cancel, or x into dv equal to dx, or dv equal to dx divided by x, integrating. Okay, integrating. Integral dv is v is equal to log x plus log x plus c. Okay, log x plus c. Okay, now this v is replaced by y by, that is y by x is equal to log x plus c. So that is the solution. Okay. Now the next one, question number 3. X minus y into dy. X minus y dy minus x plus y dx is equal to 0. See, x minus y into dy equal to x plus y into dx, or dy by dx is equal to x plus y divided by x minus y. Let f of x y is equal to x plus y by x minus y. Replace x and y by lambda x and lambda y. lambda x plus lambda y divided by lambda x minus lambda y, lambda into x plus y divided by lambda into x minus y, that is lambda raised to 0 into f of xy. Therefore, differential equation is homogeneous. Okay. Now to solve this differential equation, put y equal to vx. dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So this equation number 1 implies v plus x into dv by dx equal to x plus vx divided by x minus vx. That is x into 1 plus v divided by x into 1 minus v. X cancel, 1 plus v by 1 minus v is x v plus x into dv by dx. Okay. Now the value of x into dv by dx is equal to x into dv by dx equal to 1 plus v by 1 minus v minus v, that is 1 plus v minus v into 1 minus v the whole divided by 1 minus v, that's equal to 1 plus v minus v plus v square by 1 minus v. V cancelled, that is 1 plus v square by 1 minus v is x into dv by dx. Now we can separate this integral, separate the variable 1 minus v dv divided by 1 plus v square equal to dx divided by x. Now integrating, integral 1 by 1 plus v square dv minus integral v by 1 plus v square dv equal to integral dx divided by x. Okay. Now integrating, integral 1 by 1 plus v square is tan inverse v. Tan inverse v minus, here we multiplying the numerator and denominator by 2. So half, that the exact derivative of the denominator is in this numerator. So log of denominator, log of 1 plus v square equal to log x plus constant of integration c, or tan inverse v is equal to tan inverse v is equal to half log, this negative half log taken to the right side, half log 1 plus v square plus log x plus c. Okay. Now v is replaced by y by x, that is tan inverse v is equal to tan inverse v is equal to half log 1 plus v is y by x, so y square by x square, okay, plus log x plus c, that's equal to half log, this is x square plus y square by x square plus log x plus c. That's equal to half logarithm of numerator x square plus y square minus logarithm of denominator plus log x plus c, which is half log x square plus y square minus half into log x square is 2 log x plus log x plus c. These two cancelled. Negative log x plus log x cancelled. So tan inverse y by x is equal to tan inverse y by x is equal to half logarithm x square plus y square plus c. is the solution of this differential equation. Okay. Now see the fourth one. X square minus y square dx plus 2xy dy is equal to 0. So 2xy dy 2xy dy equal to negative of x square minus y square dx, or 2xy dy equal to y square minus x square dx, or dy by dx is equal to y square minus x square divided by 2xy. That f of xy is equal to y square minus x square by 2xy. Replace this x and y by lambda x lambda y. This lambda square y square minus lambda square x square divided by 2 into lambda x into lambda y. So lambda square into y square minus x square divided by lambda square into 2xy. Okay. That's equal to lambda raised to 0 into f of xy. Therefore, differential equation is homogeneous. Okay. Now to solve this differential equation, put y is equal to vx. So let it be equation number 1. Put y is equal to vx. dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So equation number 1 implies v plus x into dv by dx is equal to y is v square x square minus x square divided by 2x into y is vx. Okay. That's equal to x square into v square minus 1 divided by 2v into x square. So x square cancel. Or x into dv by dx is equal to v square minus 1 by 2v minus v. That is v square minus 1 minus 2v square the whole divided by 2v. That is v square minus 2v square is minus v square. Okay. So minus 1 minus v square by 2v. Okay. Or x into dv by dx is equal to minus of 1 plus v square divided by 2v, or 2v dv divided by 1 plus v square equal to dx minus dx divided by x. Integrating the derivative of the denominator is in numerator, so log of 1 plus v square equal to minus log x plus logarithm c, that is the constant of integration. Okay, that is log 1 plus v square plus log x is equal to log c. This is logarithm of x into 1 plus v is y square by x square equal to log c. Okay. Now logarithm can be cancelled. X into x square plus y square by x square equal to c. X cancel, or x square plus y square equal to x square plus y square equal to cx. X square into dy by dx is equal to x square minus 2y square plus xy, or dy by dx equal to x square minus 2y square plus xy the whole divided by x square. Let f of xy equal to x square minus 2y square plus xy divided by x square. Replace x and y by lambda x lambda y. This is lambda square x square minus 2 lambda square y square plus lambda x lambda y divided by lambda square x square. Now lambda square is taken outside. X square minus y square plus xy divided by lambda square x square. That is lambda raised to 0 into f of xy. Therefore, differential equation is homogeneous. Okay. Now to solve this differential equation, put y is equal to vx. That will be equation number 1. Put y is equal to vx. dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So equation number 1 implies v plus x into dv by dx is equal to x square minus 2 into y square is v square x square plus x into y is vx, the whole divided by x square. Now x square is taken outside. 1 minus 2 v square plus v, the whole divided by x square. So x square cancelled. That is v plus x into dv by dx is equal to 1 minus 2 v square plus v cancel. Okay. Now dv divided by, separating the variable, dv divided by 1 minus 2 v square equal to dx divided by x. Okay. Integrating, integral dv divided by, see, which is 2 into half minus v square is equal to integral dx divided by x. Okay. That is 1 by 2 into integral dv divided by 1 by root 2 square minus v square equal to integral dx divided by x. That is half integral a square minus 1 by a square minus x square form. That is 1 by 2a. So half into 1 by 2a. A is 1 by root 2. 1 by 2a log a minus a plus x by a minus x. A plus x. 1 by root 2 plus v by 1 by root 2 minus v is equal to log x plus c. Okay. Now this 2 and this root 2 get cancelled. So 1 by 2 root 2 logarithm. This is 1 plus root 2v by 1 minus root 2v. The whole divided by root 2 get cancelled. It's equal to log x plus c. Now replace this v by y by x. Replace this v by y by x. 1 by 2 root 2 logarithm 1 plus root 2 into y by x divided by 1 minus root 2 into y by x equal to log x plus c. That is 1 by 2 root 2 logarithm x plus root 2y divided by x minus root 2y. The whole divided by x get cancelled. It's equal to log x plus c. Okay. So that is the solution of this differential equation. Okay. Now see the sixth one. X into dy. X dy minus y dx is equal to root of x square plus y square dx, or x dy is equal to root of x square plus y square dx plus y dx. That's equal to root of x square plus y square plus y into dx. Or dy by dx is equal to root of x square plus y square plus y whole divided by x. Let f of xy equal to root of x square plus y square plus y divided by x. F of lambda x lambda y equal to root of lambda square x square plus lambda square y square plus lambda y divided by lambda x. Here lambda square is taken from the square root, so it will become lambda root of x square plus y square plus lambda y divided by lambda x. Now lambda is taken outside, lambda into root of x square plus y square plus y divided by lambda x, that is lambda raised to 0 into f of xy. Therefore the given differential equation is homogeneous. That is dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to root of x square plus y square plus y divided by x. To solve this differential equation, put y equal to vx. dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So this equation number 1 implies dy by dx is v plus x into dv by dx equal to root of x square plus y square is v square x square plus y is vx whole divided by x. And x square is taken from the square root, so it will become x into root of 1 plus v square plus vx whole divided by x. Taking x as common factor, x into root of 1 plus v square plus v divided by x. X cancel. That is v plus x into dv by dx is equal to root of 1 plus v square plus v cancel, or dv divided by root of 1 plus v square equal to dx divided by x. Variable separated. Integrating 1 by root of a square plus x square form, that is log x plus, that is v plus root of 1 plus v square is equal to log x plus log c. Okay, so that is equal to logarithm of x into c. Now logarithm get cancelled, that is v plus root of 1 plus v square equal to xc. V is y by x. Y by x y by x plus root of 1 plus y square by x square equal to xc. That is y by x plus root of x square plus y square the whole divided by x square equal to xc. That is y by x plus root of x square plus y square divided by x equal to xc. Multiplying throughout by x, we have the solution as y plus root of x square plus y square equal to x square c. Okay, so that is the required solution. Okay. Now the next problem, 7th one, x into cos of y by x plus y sine of y by x is equal to into y dx is equal to. So here dy by dy by dx can be written as dy by dx can be written as dx. So y into x cos of y by x plus y sine of y by x divided by x into y sine y by x minus x cos of y by x. Okay, so that is dy by dx. Let f of xy is equal to, we have to show that this function is, or this differential equation is homogeneous. So let f of xy equal to, let f of xy is equal to y into x cos y by x plus y sine y by x divided by x into y sine y by x minus x cos of y by x. Okay, now replace this x and y by lambda x and lambda by f of lambda x lambda y equal to, here lambda y into lambda x into cos of lambda y by lambda x, lambda y by lambda x plus lambda y into sine of lambda y by lambda x divided by, this is lambda x into y is lambda y sine of lambda y by lambda x minus lambda x into cos of lambda y by lambda x. Okay, that's equal to, here lambda get cancel, here also lambda cancel, lambda cancel, lambda cancel, and a lambda can be taken outside, so it will become lambda square into, now y into x cos of y by x plus y into sine of y by x divided by lambda square into x into y sine y by x plus, sorry, minus x cos of y by x. Okay, so that is lambda raised to 0 into f of xy. Therefore differential equation, given differential equation is homogeneous. Okay, now put y is equal to vx, put y is equal to vx, dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Okay, now equation number 1 implies v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, y is replaced by vx into x cos of y by x. See, when y is equal to vx, y by x can be written as v plus y is vx into sine v divided by x into y is vx into sine v, vx into sine v minus x into cos v. Okay, so this x get cancelled, which is equal to, here this v into x can be taken outside, x into cos v plus v sin v divided by x into v sin v minus cos v. Again x cancel. Okay. So that is v plus x into dv by dx. Now x into dv by dx. X into dv by dx is equal to v cos v plus v square sin v divided by v sin v minus cos v minus v. Okay. So simplifying. X into dv by dx is equal to x into dv by dx is equal to v cos v plus v square sin v minus v into v sin v minus cos v. V sin v minus cos v the whole divided by v sin v minus cos v. Okay. It's equal to v cos v plus v square sin v minus v square sin v plus v cos v whole divided by v sin v minus cos v. So this cancel. 2v cos v is equal to 2v cos v divided by v sin v minus cos v, that is x into dv by dx. Now cross multiply v sin v minus cos v, v sin v minus cos v divided by 2v cos v is equal to dx divided by x into dv. Okay, now separating v sin v by 2v cos v, v sin v by 2v cos v minus cos v divided by 2v cos v is equal to dx divided by x into dv. Now here we cancel half. Okay. So simplifying cos v minus sin v, derivative is minus sin v. So integrating integral sin v by cos v tan v integral tan v dv half minus half integral 1 by v dv equal to integral dx divided by x. Multiplying throughout by 2, we have integral tan v dv minus integral 1 by v dv equal to 2 integral dx divided by x. Integral tan v dv, not y. Integral tan v dv. Okay. Minus integral 1 by v dv equal to 2 integral dx divided by x. Okay, integrating integral tan v is log sec v minus log v equal to 2 log x plus log c. Okay, that is log sec v by v equal to log x square plus log a c, that is x square into c. Okay, or sec v divided by v equal to x square into c, or sec v equal to v into x square c, that is sec y, v is y by x, sec of y by x is equal to v is y by x into x square c. Okay, that is sec y by x equal to some x cancel x y c. Okay, so that is the general solution. Now question number 8, x into dy by dx minus y, or x into dy by dx equal to y minus x sin of y by x. Okay, or dy by dx is equal to y minus x sin y by x the whole divided by x. Let f of x y equal to y minus x sin y by x divided by x. Okay, so this can be written as y by x minus x sin y by x by x, this x cancel, so that is y by x minus sin of y by x, that is f of xy. Now f of lambda x lambda y equal to, this is lambda y by lambda x. Okay, lambda y by lambda x, lambda y by lambda x minus sin of lambda y by lambda x. So this lambda cancel, that is lambda raised to 0, that is 1 into f of xy. Therefore the differential equation is homogeneous. Okay, now put y is equal to, let it be equation number, say this is equation number 1, put y is equal to vx, dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Okay, now equation number 1 implies v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, see the right hand side is y by x minus sin of y by x, y by x minus sin of y by x, y by x is v minus sin v, now v cancel. Okay, or dv divided by sin v equal to dx divided by x. So variable is separated, integrating both sides, integrating integral dv divided by sin v equal to integral dx divided by x, negative integral dx divided by
x. Okay, now integrating 1 by sine v, that is cosec v. So log cosec v minus cot v. So integrating log cosec v minus cot v equal to minus log x plus log c. Okay, so logarithm of cosec v minus cot v plus log x. So this is of the form log a plus log b form. So x into cosec v minus cot v is equal to log c. Logarithm cancel, or x into cosec y by x minus cot y by x is equal to c. That is the general solution of this differential equation. Okay, now question number 9. Number 9, y dx plus x into log y by x into dy minus 2x dy equal to 0. Okay, that is y dx is equal to 2x dy minus x log y by x dy. That is 2x minus x log y by x into dy, or dy by dx is equal to y divided by 2x minus x log y by x. Okay, let f of xy equal to y divided by 2x minus x log y by x. F of lambda x lambda y equal to lambda y divided by 2 into lambda x minus, this is also lambda x, log lambda y by lambda x. So lambda get cancelled. This is lambda raised to 0 into f of xy. Therefore the function differential equation, therefore differential equation is homogeneous. Okay, to solve this differential equation, put y is equal to vx, dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So equation number 1 implies v plus x into dv by dx is equal to y is vx divided by, here x can be taken outside, 2 minus log v. Okay, so x is get cancelled. Okay, so x into dv by dx is equal to v divided by 2 minus log v minus v. Okay, that's equal to v minus v into 2 minus log v the whole divided by 2 minus log v. Now v minus 2v is minus v plus log v divided by 2 minus log v, minus v plus v log v minus v minus 2v is minus v, then minus v log v, v minus v plus v log v, the whole divided by 2 minus log v. Okay, that is, now we can separate the variable. Okay, so cross multiplying 2 minus log v into dv divided by minus v plus v log v equal to dx divided by x. Okay, now integrating integral, see this 2 can be written as 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 minus log v divided by, here v is taken outside, log v minus 1, log v minus 1 dv equal to integral dx divided by x. Okay, so integral, we can separate this integral, that is 1 divided by 1 minus log v is consider as a single, so 1 divided by v into log v minus 1 dv minus, sorry, plus integral 1 minus log v divided by v into log v minus 1 dv is equal to integral dx divided by x. Okay, so that is, here log v minus 1, if we put log v minus 1 as t, then its derivative 1 by v is here, 1 by v dv is here. So derivative of the denominator is log v minus 1, its derivative is 1 by v dv, so its integral, see this is integral 1 by v divided by log v minus 1 dv minus, a negative sign is taken outside, log v minus 1 by v into log v minus 1 dv equal to integral dx divided by x. Log v minus 1 get cancelled. Okay, so first integral is log of denominator, log of log v minus 1 minus integral 1 by v dv is log v, right side log x, constant of integration log c. Okay, so log y by x minus 1 is equal to minus log v is taken to the right side, so log v plus log x plus log c, that is log y by x minus 1 equal to log v into x into c, logarithm cancel, so log y by x minus 1 equal to v into x into c. Okay, that is log y by x minus 1, log y by x minus 1 equal to, v is y by x into c, x cancel, that is log y by x minus 1 equal to cy is the general solution. Okay, now see the 10th one, 1 plus e raised to x by y, see this is a function of x by y. Okay, 1 plus e raised to x by y dx equal to negative of e raised to x by y into 1 minus x by y dy. Okay, so this can be written as e raised to x by y into x by y minus 1 dy, or dx by dy. This is a function of x by y. So dx by dy is equal to e raised to x by y into x by y minus 1 divided by 1 plus e raised to x by y. Okay. Now consider this function as f of xy. F of xy is equal to, let f of xy is equal to e raised to x by y into x by y minus 1 divided by 1 plus e raised to x by y. F of lambda x lambda y is equal to, can be seen that is lambda raised to 0 into f of xy. Therefore the differential equation, therefore differential equation is homogeneous. Okay. Now to solve this differential equation, put x is equal to, not y, put x is equal to vy. Dx by dy equal to v plus y into dv by dy. Okay. So this equation number 1 implies dx by dy is v plus y into dv by dy equal to e raised to x by y is v, e raised to v into v minus 1 divided by 1 plus e raised to v. Okay. Now y into, therefore y into dv by dy equal to e raised to v into v minus 1 by 1 plus e raised to v minus v. That is v e raised to v minus e raised to v minus v e raised to v divided by 1 plus e raised to v. So v e raised to v get cancelled. Okay. So that is e raised to v minus v, y into dv by dy equal to y into dv by dy, y into dv by dy equal to minus e raised to v minus v divided by 1 plus e raised to v. Okay. Or cross multiplying 1 plus e raised to v divided by minus of e raised to v plus v into dv equal to dy divided by y, integrating minus the derivative of the denominator is in numerator, so minus log v plus e raised to v is equal to log y plus log c. Okay, that is minus log v plus e raised to v is equal to logarithm of y into c. Okay. Now this negative logarithm is taken to the right hand side, so log y into c plus log v plus e raised to v is equal to 0. Logarithm of yc into v plus e raised to v is equal to 0, or y into c, v plus e raised to v is equal to e raised to 0, 1. Now yc into y is v is x by y plus e raised to x by y is equal to 1. Okay. Say the c is taken to the right side, so what is it will become 1 by c. Now 1 by c can be treated as a new constant. Okay, or this is the solution. Okay, which is the solution. Now it's number 11. For each of the differential equation 11 to 15, find the particular solution of the solution satisfying the given condition. X plus y into dy equal to minus of x minus y into dx. Okay, or x plus y into dy equal to y minus x dx, or dy by dx is equal to y minus x divided by x plus y. Put y is equal to vx. Put y is equal to vx. dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Okay. So this equation become v plus x into dv by dx is equal to vx minus x divided by x plus y is equal to vx. Okay, that is v plus x into dv by dx is equal to x into v minus 1 divided by x into 1 plus v. X cancel. Or x into dv by dx is equal to v minus 1 by 1 plus v minus v. That is v minus 1 minus v into 1 plus v the whole divided by 1 plus v. V minus 1 minus v minus v square by 1 plus v. V cancel. That is minus of 1 plus v square, minus of 1 plus here denominator is 1 plus v. 1 plus v square divided by 1 plus v. That is x into dv by dx. Now cross multiplying. 1 plus v into dv divided by 1 plus v square equal to negative dx divided by x. Okay. Now integral. This is 1 by 1 plus v square dv plus integral v dv by 1 plus v square is equal to negative integral dx by x. Here we multiplying and dividing by 2. So first integral is tan inverse v. Tan inverse v plus half log of denominator 1 plus v square is equal to minus log x plus c, constant of integration. Okay, that is tan inverse of y by x plus half log this is 1 plus y square by x square is equal to minus log x plus c. Okay, that is tan inverse y by x. Tan inverse of y by x plus half into log x square plus y square by x square. Okay, equal to minus log x plus c. That is tan inverse y by x plus half into log of x square plus y square minus log of x square. okay, is equal to minus log x plus c. Log x square is 2 log x, that is tan inverse of y by x plus half log x square plus y square minus half into 2 log x is equal to minus log x plus c. Okay, now this log x to cancel, minus log x get cancelled, or tan inverse of y by x plus half log x square plus y square equal to c. Okay, now given that x is equal to 1, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So tan inverse of 1 by 1 plus half log 1 square plus 1 square is equal to c. That is pi by 4 plus half log 2 is equal to c. Therefore, the solution, general solution is tan inverse of y by x plus half log x square plus y square equal to, the value of c is pi by 4 plus half log 2. Okay, now question number 12. X square dy, x square dy is equal to minus xy plus y square dx. Okay, or dy by dx is equal to minus of xy plus y square divided by x square. Okay, or dy by dx is equal to negative of xy divided by x square is y by x plus y square divided by x square is y by x the whole square. Okay, now put v is equal to, put y is equal to vx, dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So this equation number 1 implies v plus x into dv by dx equal to negative of y by x is v plus v square. Okay, or x into dv by dx. Okay, v plus, that is v plus x into dv by dx is equal to minus v square. Okay, so x into dv by dx is equal to minus v square minus v, that is minus 2v minus v square, or that is equal to minus v into v plus 2 or 2 plus v. Okay, that is x into dv by dx, or dv divided by v into v plus 2, v into v plus 2 equal to minus dx divided by x, integrating here 1 by v into v plus 2, 1 by v into v plus 2 can be written as integral 1 by v minus 1 by v plus 2. What is 1 by v minus 1 by v plus 2? V plus 2 minus, that is 2 divided by v into v plus 2. So in order to avoid the 2 in numerator, we put 1 by 2 here. dv is equal to negative integral dx by x. See, this 1 by v minus 1 by v minus 1 by v plus 2, after simplification we get 2 divided by v into v plus 2. So in order to avoid a 2 in the numerator, we multiply by 1 by 2. Okay. Now integrating, or we can multiply this throughout by 2. Multiply this equation throughout by 2. We have integral 1 by v minus 1 by v plus 2 dv is equal to minus 2 integral dx by x, multiplying throughout by 2. Okay, so 1 by v, integral is log v minus log v plus 2, this is log x, so plus 2 log x equal to constant of integration, let it be log c, that is log v plus, this is log v plus this 2 log x is log x square, okay, minus log v plus 2 equal to log c. This is log v into x square minus log v plus 2 equal to log c, that is log v into x square by v plus 2 equal to c, log c, logarithm cancel, or v x square by v plus 2 equal to c. Now put v as y by x into x square divided by y by x plus 2 equal to c, x cancel, xy divided by y plus 2x or 2x plus y by x equal to c, okay, or yx square reciprocal taken to the numerator, so x square y by 2x plus y equal to c. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So 1 square into 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 is equal to c. So c is equal to 1 by 3, which implies c is equal to 1 by 3. So this equation, put this value of c in this equation. So this equation become x square y by 2x plus y is equal to 1 by 3, or cross multiplying 3x square y is equal to 2x plus y. That is the general solution. Okay. Question number 13. Solve x sin square y by x minus y into dx plus x into dy equal to 0, y equal to pi by 2 when x is equal to 1. See the differential equation, x into sin square y by x minus y into dx is equal to minus x dy, okay, or dy by dx is equal to y minus, see, multiplying both sides by -1, it will become y minus x sin square y by x divided by x. Okay, now we can separate this by y by x minus x by x get cancelled. First is y by x, then x by x cancel, sine square of y by x. That is dy by dx. Put y is equal to vx. Dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So this equation number 1 become v plus x into dv by dx equal to y by x is v minus sine square v cancel. Okay, or x into dv by dx is equal to minus sine square v, or dv divided by sine square v, that is minus dv divided by sine square v is equal to dx divided by x. Integrating, this is integral minus cosine square v dv minus cosine square v dv equal to integral dx divided by x. Minus cosine square v integral is cot v. Cot v equal to log x plus c. Okay, or cot y by x is equal to log x plus c. Now apply the condition. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to pi by 4. That is cot pi by 4 by 1. That is cot pi by 4 equal to log 1 plus c. Okay. So cot pi by 4 is 1, log 1 is 0, c is equal to 1. Therefore the particular solution, is cot y by x is equal to log x plus 1. Okay, cot y by x is equal to log x plus 1. Now this 1 can be written as log e, so it can also be written as log xe, log of xe. Now 14, dy by dx is equal to y by x minus cosec y by x. Okay, put y is equal to vx. Put y equal to vx. Dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So this equation become v plus x into dv by dx is equal to y by x is v minus cosec v. So v cancelled. Okay, that is dv divided by minus cosec v. dv divided by minus cosec v equal to dx divided by x. Integrating, integral 1 by cosec v is sin v. Integral minus sin v dv equal to integral dx divided by x. Okay, so integral sin v is minus cos v equal to log x plus c. That is cos of y by x is equal to log x plus c. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. That is cos 0 is equal to log 1 plus c, that is c is equal to cos 0 1. Therefore the particular solution is cos of y by x is equal to log x plus 1. Okay, cos of y by x is equal to log x plus 1. Now 15, 2xy plus y square minus 2x square dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, or 2x square dy by dx is equal to 2xy plus y square, or dy by dx is equal to 2xy plus y square divided by 2x square, that is 2xy by 2x square plus y square by 2x square. 2 cancel, x cancel, y by x plus half y by x the whole square, that is dy by dx. Put y equal to bx, dy by dx is equal to b plus x into dv by dx. So this equation number 1 implies v plus x into dv by dx equal to v plus half v square. Okay, now v cancelled, or 2 dv divided by v square, 2 dv divided by v square equal to dx divided by x. Integrating 2 into 1 by v square, derivative is minus 1 by v, is equal to log x plus c, that is minus 2 into 1 by v, that is x by y. V is y by x, so 1 by v is x by y, is equal to log x plus c. Okay, now when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. That is minus 2 into 1 by 2 equal to log 1 plus c. So c is equal to minus 1. Okay. Therefore, the particular solution is minus 2x by y equal to log x minus 1. Okay. Now 16. A homogeneous differential equation of the form dx by dy is equal to h of x by y can be solved by making the substitution dx by dy is equal to a function of x by y. It can be solved by put x by y is equal to v, or x is equal to vy. Okay, x is equal to vy. Now 17. Which of the following is a homogeneous differential equation? Okay, so it can be seen that here degree, first one, second one, third, fourth one, can be seen that the fourth one is homogeneous. Fourth one can be written as dy by dx is equal to y square divided by xy plus y square minus x square. Okay, let f of xy is equal to y square divided by xy plus y square minus x square. F of lambda x lambda y is equal to lambda raised to 0 into f of xy. Can be seen that. So fourth one is the homogeneous differential equation.